The title of our tutorial, it is measuring devices. So this is our exploded power supply on designed by Nelcam, and the equipment required, we have a digital voltage AC. This is our reference. We have 21.3 volts. We will hold this so that this is our reference. And then another, it is the cathode ray oscilloscope or CRO. The main objective of this video, I will show you how to calculate and how to measure the voltage for both CRO and the voltmeter. So we will calculate, we will show the equivalent in terms of voltage and frequency. So using the AC, we have to consider this. We will calculate the amplitude. So this is the scale per division. We just consider the volts per division. Our volts per division, it is located to 1 volt. And then our scale, it is, we will count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So it is, or 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 multiplied by 1, so it is equal to 3. Then, getting the RMS value, we have 3 volts divided by square root of the square root of 2. So the answer is 2.12, and then the logic probe, it is in times 10. So we will consider this times 10. So we will multiply this 2.12 into 10. The answer is 21.21. So meaning, the voltage measured by the digital multitester and the voltage measured by the CRO, they are the same. And second objective, how to calculate or how to measure the frequency. So the frequency, the time per division, we have a time per division scale here. It is in 5 millisecond. So this 5 millisecond, so 5, we have 5 here. 5 times 10 to the negative 3, since it is in milli, we will multiply to the 1 cycle from here going to this 1 cycle. It is 360 complete revolution or 1 cycle, 1 sine wave. So we will count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. So from here, we will multiply by 4. So the answer, it is 0.02. So this is now the time. So getting the frequency, we have the formula of getting the frequency as 1 divided by the time, which is 0.2. The answer is 1 divided by time. So 1 divided by 0.02, it is equal to 50. So It means the frequency of our project, it is 50 hertz. The same with the frequency of this country, Salalah, Oman. So, therefore, we can say that the frequency measured, it is 50 hertz. And then the voltage coming from digital voltmeter, it is 21.4. And then the same with our CRO. Again, this is Nelcam. Take care and keep safe.